third person of the evening. Give a big round of applause for Novel Rentals. And to
Thank you,
present them,
Pankaj.
here we have Ayush and Nidhi.
Hello.
Hello.
So basically, I would like to give a brief about Novel Rentals. जो brief करना बहुत tough था, लेकिन मैंने फिर भी कर लिया because I have a lot of things to say about it. Novel Rentals एक ऐसा इनिशिएटिव है, एक स्टार्टअप है जो आपको आपके घर पे कोई भी बुक सिर्फ ₹5 पर डे के रेंट पे लाके देगा. And how they are managing it? Is it really very difficult or is it very easy for you to also start at it? वो आंसर आज सब कुछ हमने मिलने वाला है आयुष और निधि से. So on to you आयुष and निधि.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Bhavya, for bringing us on this platform, basically. Thank you so much for that. And I'm Nidhi, and he's Ayush.
Hi.
And we have started an initiative of renting novels at just ₹5 so that we can spread learning. When the people are not able to go out in this COVID situation, so they're able to they can get the books at their home. So this is a very good thing for them. Like for the bookworms who are willing to learn, willing to get something
Smell
new.
of it.
That the smell of the book that they're missing in the libraries that were basically doing before the COVID. So they are now getting that thing with the help of novel writers. So basically the main objective is to spread learning.
And so,
हाँ.
yes, so it's about spread learning, right? So everyone is thinking कि ये idea कहाँ से आया? So basically ये idea कहीं से नहीं आया. Actually, I'm a good reader and I just want people to read books. So that actually क्या होता है, आप सीरीज देखते हो या फिर कोई बुक पढ़ते हो ना, तो आपकी vocabulary खुद ही ठीक हो जाती है. और अभी के सिचुएशन में ना, there's lots of time for you to learn that thing जो आपको नहीं आता है. So उसके लिए best चीज is book. And I'm surfing to internet. I want to start a new initiative. It's about the vendors, not about books, but about the grocery items. But I think that is so common. Like Big Basket and Grofers are doing it very well. So I just thought, why don't we start this platform like the let's say Book One. एंड फिर आपको ये शायद पता होगा और शायद नहीं, अमेज़न ने पहला काम बुक से स्टार्ट किया. लाइक दे स्टार्टेड देयर इन्वेंटरी बाय बुक्स एंड आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने आगे बढ़ाया. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू वर्क इट सेम एज Amazon. Like I want to launch a website in which you will put the books you have right now with you, and then we'll get an order from anyone. Will take that book from you and give it to you at that ₹5 per day, and which includes some minimal delivery charges. So this is our main purpose. And second purpose is like if we are taking books from you, we'll give you few like amount or rewards or goodies. Or second, we will give you a new book. So it would be a concept like you have book and no one is reading it, so people can take that book from you and can read and return it back to you. And in middle process, we will work for you. So that's our main motive. And books, like I just want to start it from the website, but मैंने ये websites अभी क्यों नहीं किया, क्योंकि I just want to see response from the people first. So that's why we start from IG page and WhatsApp. So like delivery charges का बोले ना, I can hire delivery का बोले ना, I can hire someone who can deliver the books, but I don't want them to. I want to be in this field and check what people are expecting from us. If they will be like कि नहीं, आप उनसे, वो लोग हमसे क्या expect कर रहे हैं, that is our main motive. After that, we'll hire someone and we'll tell them how to treat this guy and this girl. So that would be more effective for us. That the इनका delivery boy भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छे से बात करता है. So for that, I want to enter in this field first. Then after few months or days, we'll hire someone and we'll deliver it to you. And due to this COVID, प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, लोग पहले ये सवाल पूछते हैं दैट कि कोविड है, आप प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हो, देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ प्रिकॉशन. उससे रिस्क नहीं, क्योंकि हेल्थ एंड लाइफ इज फर्स्ट. एंड सेकंड थिंग, बुक्स, एंड बुक्स इज योर लाइफ. सो हम लोग दोनों लाइफ बचा के we're doing our work.
Okay, so that was from Ayush and Nidhi presenting Novel Rentals. Ayush, I would like you to tell our attendees that how many books have you read so far, you and Nidhi?
Like
I'm not a book reader.
she is not a book reader.
Okay.
Like I
I'm
have
really
read,
not a.
yeah, she is not a book reader. She don't like to read books.
Uh,
I have read more than 150 novels.
You have read more than 150
Yeah,
books. Great,
yeah.
great.
I've read
That's
only
a great.
one.
Yeah, yeah. You are just like me. I've only read one till now.
Like only
I'm
in
actually
college,
reading the
that
first
book
one of
review,
mine right now. Sorry.
that book review we had in sem one.
Okay, okay, okay.
That
Got it.
one.
So SMP forced you to read your first book. Okay. Okay, so before moving on to question answer session with novel rentals, I would like all the participants of this meeting to go on the chat box and write your name with your email ID. That would help us to give further communication with you regarding our future programs that we are going to have and the future people who will be joining us for this meet. And if you really liked it, you can just go and follow the Baskin You page on Instagram. It's only on Instagram right now, nowhere else, because I'm just starting on with a small thing, just like what Ayush said. So I'm just asking you to write your name and your email ID. Don't worry, we won't spam your mailbox with any of those stuff. We will just sending you
Mail
one
ID.
reminder that the next meet is on this date and this time. That's it. So requested you all to write your name and email ID. So moving on to question answer session with novel rentals. Any questions from people who are in the call?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, hi,
Yeah.
Shama.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Hello, Ayush and Nidhi. My question was that do you provide the books which readers want to read, or do you provide the books which you want to provide them?
No, we provide the books you want to read. Actually, अभी situation ऐसा है ना that COVID में market में books जल्दी से मिल नहीं रही है. So we have limited number. Like in short, we have more than right now 2,000 books, and we are going to increase this book amount of books. Like we don't mind. Like आप अपना list भेज सकते हो कि which genres you want to write. We will give you like suggestions कि you can like this. But if you have your list and if you have your genres ready, we'll make it available for sure. If it is not available, we'll tell you that we'll make it available later because अभी possible नहीं है. और जितने books हमारे पास है, we'll give you definitely. If you want to buy it, we'll sell you. Or if you want to rent it, ₹5 per day, any type of book. It doesn't matter like the book cost is 800 or 1200. You'll get at ₹5 per day.
Okay. And where do you get these books from?
Actually, I have contact with vendors, street vendors. Actually, आप ये देख रहे होंगे कि अब libraries इतनी ज़्यादा खुल गई है, तो people are going to libraries than street vendors. So they are not getting that much attention nowadays. So we just think कि why not? क्योंकि अभी क्या होता है like जो middle class है या फिर higher class वाले families है, they are earning, and due to this COVID problem कैसे होती है lower people. So we're like, why do you go to high standards shops and all? Why don't we go to the vendors and ask them to make books available for us? And we have contact with Crosswords and bookshelves as well. They like our initiative. The main problem is this is like a base for us. So they were telling that we'll collab later once you like get into the field. वो आप बहुत अच्छे से आ जाते हो, then we'll collab with you. So we want vendors to come and to help them. That is our main motive. And आपने flyer शायद देखा होगा तो there will be Khwab present. Khwab is an NGO started by us only. It is not registered, but it's going to register soon once I get a great team. So like basically we'll what we are earning, we'll investing that money to Khwab as well and to our business, so that we'll run our NGO plus our business together, and with that we can help people and help us as well, and help like we are helping people for like giving ₹5. ₹5 per day is nothing to anyone right now. So we are doing both tasks together and very efficient.
Okay, that's a great idea. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Okay, so now we shall begin with the questions that we have received from Instagram story.
Yeah.
So the thing is that if you just rent a book for rupees 5, do you think it is a futuristic idea?
Yeah, it is. This one was unexpected question to us. It's really unexpected. People are not asking about the books. They are asking that आप 5 रुपए में क्या आपको 5 रुपए में क्या मिलता है exactly. So this so common question to us. So like see, our main motive is ना कि see if हमें कोई response नहीं मिलता and we have books right now. तो बुक्स एक ऐसी चीज है ना इस जनरेशन में या पूरे जनरेशन में जो कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाती। इन शॉर्ट कि इफ ये इनिशिएटिव चला भी नहीं ना तो वो बुक्स हमारे काम में बहुत आ सकती है।
Okay.
एक्चुअली फ्यूचर देखो ना तो इट वुड बी लाइक if one book cost is 150 and 3 people takes that book ना then 4 books से हमें प्रॉफिट ही। बट वी हैव टू बी पेशेंट कि नहीं पहले तीन तीन रीडर्स ढूंढो फिर फोर्थ वन सामने से आएगा। Our main motive is that.
Correct. And another question was that how do you manage inventory? मतलब आप जो 2000 बुक्स रखते हो अपने पास, how do you manage कि आप उस बुक्स को ठीक तरह से सेफली और कुछ भी डैमेज ना हो ऐसे रख पाओ?
Actually, we don't have 2000 books right now at our home. We have 2000 books with our vendors. So what we do, we don't take books from for rent from them. We just buy that book and then give it to you. It would be like we don't have inventory. We have what's a spreadsheet or like Excel sheet, and we have lists of books that these books we have right now. If you want any book from this, you will get it. I will buy it for you and will give you at it. So
Okay,
we
so
are
जब बुक
investing.
वापस आती है, after the reader has read that book, then do you return that book to vendor again or you keep it with you?
Nah, I keep it with you.
So
I don't
where
want to
do you
return
keep
that
that?
because yeah, we owe them.
Okay, no,
Like-
but afterwards जब वो books वापस आ जाती है, so तब आप उसे घर में you have sufficient space to keep it or you have a special
Yes.
place to
Yeah.
keep it?
We have right now 18 to 20 books at my shelf.
Okay, correct, got it. So another question was that I know that you have an option that if the readers takes the book on rent from you, and if the readers really like that book and he wants to keep it with himself or herself, then you provide that book with a discounted price.
Yeah.
So
We
in
provide
that,
sorry.
yes,
Hmm?
you were saying something.
Nah, I am just asking what you are saying.
Yeah, I was just asking that which is more earning for you, the renting portion or the people who buy the book?
The people who buy books.
Buy the book. You earn from that, not from the renting.
Nah.
Okay, correct. So one last time, any more questions from the people who are in the video call?
अरे एक्चुअली मेरे को ये पूछना था कि बहुत लोग नॉवेल्स नहीं पढ़ते हैं, बहुत लोग ज़्यादा सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ते हैं। तो अगर तुम लोग सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स का करोगे तो एक्चुअली लोगों को बहुत सारी रिमार्केबल बुक्स ऐसी है जैसे कि पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, तो ये बुक्स हर जगह अवेलेबल भी होती है और सब लोगों को चाहिए भी होती है। तो तुम लोग अगर उसका करोगे तो तुमने नहीं सोचा कि अगर ये जल्दी मिल भी जाएगी मेरे को और इसकी डिमांड भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, तो ये
Okay, so yes. Hi Sahil, first of all, like the novel generally means that we have every type of genre. अब वो लव पे, रोमांस पे, फिर सेल्फ हेल्प पे या फिर लाइफ पे आती है। We have every kind of books available with us. We वो sci-fi हो, thriller हो, suspense हो, we have every kind of books. Like it's just a novel renters means वो भी books novels ही कहलाती है। It is a type of genres. What you are saying is self-help book is a type of genres of novels.
अच्छा, मुझे
So
वो
we
नहीं पता
have,
था,
sorry?
मुझे वो पता नहीं था एक्चुअली।
Okay, so we have every kind of books available with us.
जब मेरे नॉलेज में इतना था कि शायद नॉवेल्स मतलब शायद वो शॉर्ट स्टोरीज होती है जो चेतन भगत लिखता है, मुझे बस इतना ही
चेतन भगत की बुक अब नहीं चलती है भाई।
सही है।
Okay, so Sahil, are you done?
यस यस
Yeah. So Any more questions? One last question we can entertain if it's there.
Oh yeah. Where do we contact you?
Our
We are
IG
available
page.
on Instagram.
Yeah, we are available on Instagram. That is IG page novel.renters. And Bhavya has my contact number. You can directly contact him and take my number from him, and he will give you, and we'll chat or will directly converse. We'll make conversations and all. He's gone. No, he's there.
Yes.
Yeah.
इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट वापस बोल सकते हो?
Sorry.
इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट वापस बोलना एक बार.
Novel.renters. Last में S.